I tried my best for sure, but the bigger difference than usually during the slalom season is that today I felt completely free of any pressure because the big globe is nearly in the books, and so it was way more fun for me to do what I love to, and that is ski as fast as possible. And you know, if you're calculating most of the time of the races, that makes no fun, because it is not so much fun. And today it was a real pleasure to show my skills in slalom skiing, and that makes me really happy for today.
This will be your fifth big globe. How far can you go?
I'm right now here in this moment, and I'm really happy about what happened the last 5 years and what is up in the future. No one knows, but right now I'm very happy with it.
Gora is also one of your best places.
It has always been, and hopefully for a long time. Thank you.